1787, we tried to ratify a constitution to make our nation better, but it didn't protect our rights, so we said we didn't want it. So they decided that they didn't want to ratify it. To save it, James Madison wrote a Bill of Rights, a bill to protect our rights. The First Amendment protects our freedom of religion, press, speech, assemble, and petition, so we can express ourselves freely.
Right to bear arms protects you and your family from a corrupted government. A thief breaks into your house. You have the right to legally cap them. The Third Amendment, it limits the quartering of soldiers. Its intention is so that soldiers can't enter your house with a self-written warrant. Search and seizure of property. If you've committed a crime and there is probable cause, the police could bust up in there with the warrant.
The number 5 says there should be a restriction on the government's prosecution of any person accused of crime, prohibiting the self-incrimination, the double jeopardy, and mandates due process of law. The number 6 says the accused one gets the right to make things fast, or the person gets the right to know what they're accused of. If a person cannot afford an attorney, the government will give you one. The number 7 says any dispute that costs less than $75,000 will not be handled by the Fed courts. It also says there will be no private court system but government-approved ones.
Prohibits cruel and unusual punishment. You stole something from a store and the police catch you. They can't take you into the back shed and whip you to get information out of you. People may have other rights, even if they are not listed here, but since us homies live the thug life, we got none. The federal government's powers are limited to those listed in the Constitution. So when the police snatch me up off the streets, they have no supreme power over me.